Hello, this is the second part of the series of 3 videos regarding prepositions of place. So, in the first video, I gave you some examples of how to use preposition of place with objects from the classroom. And now we've got a list here of prepositions. So we have in. The pencils and pens are in the box. Look, in means inside. The box is on the table. Yes. The yellow shirt, it's behind, look, behind the table. Next to. So this pen is next to this. This notebook is next to this notebook. In front. The table is in front of the board. Between. The green color back here, it's between notebook A and notebook B. You see, between is like sandwich. And among is when it's with big quantity. So between is when there are two objects, and among is when there are more than two. We're going to continue working with the activity guide. Okay. In this activity guide, we have a beautiful cat and some computers and a TV. So we needed to get to know and write down the correct position. You're going to do this individually, and we're going to correct it. Okay. If you have any doubts, you need to go to this one and remember where it goes each one. Okay, so you can say we're going to have here, and we're going to use an arrow to say in. So I'm going to remember that it refers to this one. Yes, and when I talk about on, the same, I take another arrow and I say, oh, the box is on the desk. And then with under, let's see what we have under here. We have maybe this table here, or this pink object. So we got another arrow and we do that. Okay. An activity we're going to do before filling in this activity guide is that we're going to use arrows to locate classroom objects within this picture. You're going to do that alone. After you can locate different objects using these prepositions, then you're going to come here for your activity guide and you're going to work. This activity guide is going to be work by pairs. Okay, so you are going to read the questions, remember the lines you make with the classroom objects regarding prepositions to be able to complete all the activity guide. I'm going to give you 10 minutes for this activity, and if you have questions on that, please let me know. I will go around the classroom to check if students are doing it properly or not. Then we have the last activity guide. So the first thing I want you to do in this activity guide is to check all the preposition list that we have here in the right. If you have any doubt about any of this, please first ask the teacher and then do the exercise. You need to write the correct number in the circle that corresponds to the prepositions of place. It is important to remember that in prepositions we have prepositions of place, we have prepositions of time, so you don't get confused. In this class, we're working with prepositions of time. In the next video, and that will be the last video, we're going to do a practice with these prepositions of place with using a picture. Hello, this is a series of video about an English class I was requested to record. Okay, I'm teaching two groups of students from third grade of primary. Each group has 28 students, and they are from a private school in Bogota called Instituto de la Anunciación. So this is a series of 3 videos. The first one is this one, and the topic will be prepositions of place. So this is the classroom, okay, and I want you to pay attention to certain information I'm going to give you. Okay, so the yellow shirt is in front of the table. Yes. The green chair is behind the red table. The color back here, the green one, is between this book and this book. Yeah. The pencils box is on the table. Yes. And the pencils are in the box. So, as you can notice in the sentence I told you regarding the objects of the classroom, I included some words, and those are prepositions. Okay, so this is the first activity guide that we're going to work on today, and I want you to pay attention to these pictures. So here we have a cat, and this is the computer. So here, the cat is on the computer. On. On is the preposition. Here, the cat is under the computer. Here, the cat is in the computer. Here, the cat is between the TV and the computer. Here, the cat is behind, and here is next to. In the next video, we're going to continue working with prepositions.